I'm going to be doing a skincare haul, and the first brand I'm going to be featuring is this brand called Soffli. I want to give a big thank you to Soffli for sending me these products for free to review. All of their products have 15 ingredients or less. So the first item is this Gentle AHA toner, and this is a toner that contains two types of alpha hydroxy acids, glycolic acid and lactic acid, and this is supposed to help to gently exfoliate your skin. And the way that you use this is within 1 minute of cleansing. You use a cotton pad or just your hands to apply the toner all over your face, starting from your neck and all the way up to your hairline. For normal skin, this is supposed to be gentle enough for daily use, but I have sensitive and dry skin, so I only use this maybe once or twice a week. The next item is the 16% vitamin C serum. Vitamin C is something that I use pretty regularly. It's for brightening and dealing with hyperpigmentation and just helping to smooth out your skin texture. And this product contains vitamin C, pure ascorbic acid, and stable 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid at 16%, along with short, medium, and long chain hyaluronic acid molecules, as well as ferulic acid and vitamin E. And I love how this vitamin C serum comes in this pump form. A lot of other vitamin C serums have the eyedropper, which can get kind of messy, but I love just the overall packaging of actually this entire product line. I find it to be really convenient and just overall hygienic. And lately this is my go-to vitamin C that I'll use maybe 1 to 2 times per week, and I use it more often when my skin is not sensitive. So the last item is this Gentle Retinol Peptides Moisturizer, and this is a retinol cream. This also contains niacinamide and panthenol and ceramide. So retinols can be very effective for anti-aging and acne, and some of them require a prescription, but on the other hand, they can be a little bit harsh and irritating for your skin. So I opted not to use this right away because my skin was really dry and sensitive, and I didn't want to irritate it further. I wanted to wait until my skin barrier was a little bit healthier before I started using it. But I did open it up and take a look at it, and I love how it has this little hygienic dispenser. I don't like it when you have to stick your finger into a pot of moisturizer, and also the spatula can feel a little bit unhygienic at times, so I really like that this packaging doesn't require you to do that. And lastly, Soffli sent me some of their hydrating sheet masks, and these are the black charcoal sheet masks, which are always kind of fun to use. This is a pH balanced detox and hydrate facial sheet mask, which is supposed to help detoxify and intensely hydrate your skin. And they use bamboo charcoal infused cotton sheets, which is known for its detoxifying properties as a base, and that's drenched in a mixture of hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and arginine. So next up, I have 3 different products from the brand iUnik. And I featured this brand on my channel before. It's a very affordable Korean skincare brand. And just to be clear, I didn't pay for any of these products. iUnik sent these to me for free to review. And the first item that I'm going to be opening is the BetaGlucan Serum. One of the nice things about the iUnik serums is that they come in such a gigantic bottle, so you really get a good bang for your buck. So beta-glucan is an extract that comes from mushrooms, and it's supposed to be great for helping you to retain moisture and improve your skin elasticity. And I've never tried this serum before, so I'm excited to check it out. I've tried some of the other iUnik serums and I've liked them, but this is my first time using the BetaGlucan Serum. So I haven't really been using this long enough to render a verdict on it, but if I like it, you'll probably see it in one of my future videos. So next up we have the Propolis Vitamin Synergy Serum, and Propolis serum or extract is something that I use on my skin every single day, both morning and evening. I feel like it's such a great product for sensitive skin as well as acne prone skin because it has anti-inflammatory properties and it's just a really calming and soothing ingredient, and it's also really hydrating. So the ones that I've used in the past are the CosRX Propolis Serum as well as the Wish Trend one, and I think I have like one empty bottle of CosRX Serum and 2 empty bottles of Wish Trend Propolis Serum, and then I've also tried a miniature sample of the iUnik one. So I'm pretty sure that I'm going to like this product because I did like the sample and I'm looking forward to using this. So this particular Propolis Serum also contains another ingredient, which is sea buckthorn extract. And sea buckthorn is a fruit that is supposed to be very high in vitamin C, so that is supposed to have brightening properties and it's supposed to help to even out your skin tone. So the next item is the Centella Gel Calming Cream, and this is a gel moisturizer that contains Centella asiatica water and tea tree leaf water. So this is a really great product for somebody who has acne or sensitive skin, and this is my favorite moisturizer lately. I actually just finished using up a tube of this, so when iUnik offered to send me 3 free products, I decided to replenish my stock of this one because I love this cream. Lately I've been having some acne issues, so I've been gravitating towards these calming and really gentle and really soothing products. So this is actually a great moisturizer for somebody who has oily skin. For me, during the winter, sometimes it doesn't feel quite hydrating enough, so that's why I alternate using this with the Rovectin Cica Care Sleeping Pack, which is a lot thicker and heavier, but also still really light and calming. That's also a gel moisturizer, but this one is perfect for daytime use. I use this right before I put on my sunscreen, and this is just my absolute favorite moisturizer lately. I'll also use it in the evening right before I put on a sheet mask. So I saved the most exciting one for last. This is the WSkin Aqua Facial device, and I want to say thank you to WSkin who sent this to me for free to review. So one of the more popular skincare treatments in Korea is the Aqua Peel Facial, which basically uses a water-based gel and a suction device to pull out gunk from your skin and flood it with moisture at the same time. This is a device that allows you to do it at home. So everything comes in this little rectangular box. On the left you can see the Aqua Peel device, and then it comes with a charging cord, 3 different tips, and 2 extra filters there at the bottom, which have the little gold thing in the middle. And you're supposed to change the filter after every 3 to 5 uses. So with what comes in the kit, you can give yourself anywhere from 9 to 15 facials. And there are 3 interchangeable tips that just click right onto the device, and when you're not using the device, there's a little cover for where the tip goes. And then there's also a charging cord. When I got mine, I had to charge it up, so I thought that you had to plug it into the device, but no, you actually have to put the device back into the case and then plug the charging cord into the case. And I think I let it charge for maybe, I don't know, 5 or 6 hours. So the device also comes with a solution. It's an exfoliating solution that's supposed to help dissolve and extract any impurities. And the way that it works is the device will push the solution into your pores and then push out any excess sebum or dead skin cells. So before you start using it, you want to take off the bottom cover, and you'll see these two little clear plastic dispensers. That's the on and off button, and the filter is right there on the side. So I'm going to start out using the medium tip, and before I get started, I'm going to fill this thing up with solution. Aqua says to fill it up with 15 milliliters, which is the third line up. And so that's what I did, but I found that when I used it, I ended up not using all of the solution. I probably only used about 5 milliliters worth. So you're supposed to test it out on your hand first and then wait 24 hours, but I just decided to use it right away. If you leave it in one spot for too long, it'll leave a little indentation on your skin. So you're really only supposed to leave it in one spot for like maybe 1 or 2 seconds. So make sure not to hold it in one place. So you press and hold the device for 2 seconds and it'll turn on to green, that's low, blue is medium, and red is the high setting, which is the strongest suction. And if you just press and hold for 2 seconds, it'll turn off. So I thought there was going to be a lot more water involved, but it actually just feels like you're vacuuming your face. So as you can see, I have some acne on my cheeks, and you want to avoid sucking that area of your skin because it's going to hurt. And then I switched to the larger tip to do my forehead, and I increased the pressure from green to blue. So the blue pressure is much stronger than the green one, and as you can see, I'm leaving some red tracks on my face, but WSkin says that it's normal to have redness after using this device. And I use the device in the evening, and in the morning when I woke up, the red marks are gone. So you probably wouldn't want to use this in the beginning of the day. And then finally I switched to the small tip, and I increased the pressure to red to do my chin and the area around my nose. And that has the strongest suction, and I think that I was able to like pull out some of the dead skin and sebum from that area. So in the end, I ended up with this foggy solution which contains the impurities that were extracted out of my skin. And as you can see, I didn't use all of the solution, so I guess I didn't really need to fill it up to 15 milliliters. If you're interested in purchasing this, then use the code Marie15 to save 15% off of your Aqua Peel device. All the products that I mentioned in this video are linked in the description box, and if you guys purchase using my links, I will earn a commission because I am an affiliate. And I want to give a big thank you and shout out to my Patreons. Thank you guys so much for supporting me, and I also want to welcome Michelle to my Patreon family. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!